Hey there, welcome to our vlog. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to our hearts, supporting new parents through the postpartum journey. Becoming a parent is a magical experience, but it also comes with unique challenges and emotions. In this vlog, we'll explore the power of empathetic support and offer valuable insights on how to be there for new moms and dads during this transformative phase. So, if you're ready to learn how to make a positive impact and be a rock-solid support system, stick around and let's dive right in. Dealing with people experiencing postpartum challenges requires empathy, understanding, and support. Postpartum refers to the period following childbirth, and many new parents may experience a range of emotional and physical changes during this time. Here are some suggestions on how to support someone going through postpartum. 1. Educate yourself. Learn about postpartum challenges, such as postpartum depression and anxiety, so you can better understand what the person might be going through. This will help you approach the situation with empathy and sensitivity. 2. Offer a listening ear. Be there to listen without judgment. Let the individual express their feelings and experiences, even if they seem negative or overwhelming. 3. Be supportive. Offer your support in any way you can. This could include helping with household chores, cooking meals, or taking care of the baby to give the parent some rest. 4. Encourage self-care. Remind the person of the importance of self-care. Encourage them to take breaks, engage in activities they enjoy, and prioritize their well-being. 5. Validate their feelings. Let the individual know that their feelings are valid and that it's okay to struggle during this period. Avoid minimizing or dismissing their emotions. 6. Suggest professional help. If you notice signs of postpartum depression or anxiety, gently encourage the person to seek professional help. Offer to help them find a therapist or support group specialized in postpartum issues. 7. Respect boundaries. Understand that new parents might need space or time alone. Respect their boundaries and offer your assistance without being overbearing. 8. Avoid offering unsolicited advice. While it's natural to want to help, refrain from giving unsolicited advice. Instead, ask them how you can support them or if they need any advice before offering it. 9. Connect them with other parents. Help them find local or online support groups for new parents. Being able to share experiences with others going through similar challenges can be incredibly beneficial. 10. Be patient. Recovery from childbirth and the emotional challenges that come with it can take time. Be patient and understanding throughout the process. Remember that postpartum experiences can vary greatly among individuals, so being sensitive to the person's unique needs and experiences is crucial. If you notice signs of severe postpartum depression or emotional distress, don't hesitate to encourage them to seek professional help from a healthcare provider. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of postpartum support. We hope you found our insights helpful and empowering. If you enjoy this vlog, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Remember, being there for new parents during the postpartum period can make a world of difference. Let's spread the message of empathy and understanding to create a more supportive and compassionate community. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, take care and happy parenting.